Hey, it's Greg Luther, and I'm actually going on a trip right now, a very important trip, because we're going to Chick-fil-A. If you like Chick-fil-A, you know how important this lunch trip is. Listen, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about real estate scams and some of the things that we're told as real estate agents. I know anytime you open your email box, you're getting dozens and dozens of things from about agents saying, buy my stuff, use this stuff, try this new software, use this new lead generation system. I can change your business. I can fix your business, that type of thing. Well, listen, the fact is that they usually give you one piece of the puzzle. As an example, if you give Zillow money, they will give you leads, and you will then have 500 leads that you don't convert. If you give Realtor.com money and you get specific zip codes or area specificity, guess what? You will get 500 leads, and you will get no closings because you're not converting them. Conversion is so much harder than lead generation. So I point out to real estate agents all the time, if you look at lead generation, like we're driving right now, I'll guarantee you I will pass for sale by owners and I will pass expireds on this trip to Chick-fil-A, right? Those people want to sell right now. It's not hard to find leads. It's not hard to find people that want to sell. The key is, how do you get these people to go with you? I can run ads on Facebook. I can run ads on Craigslist totally free, and I can generate leads. How do you get these people to go with you? What is your offer? How do you get them, whether it be on the phone or Facebook Messenger or text message or email or whatever that communication is? How do you bring it all together? Where a lot of people are messing up is they fall for this scam that they see a testimonial from another agent that says, I got 977 leads from this service. Well, great. Now you have 977 leads that you're not closing because you don't have a foolproof system for yourself. So I want to challenge you over the next 30 days. I want to challenge you to really think about what you need to do to have a complete system for yourself. So I'm talking about lead generation, lead conversion. Are you getting the type or the quality of leads that you're looking for? Are you really getting a foolproof system, soup to nuts, complete system on how you're putting this together, how you're generating the lead, and ultimately, is the offer good enough that they're going to be interested in it and want to meet with you face to face? The whole goal of online lead generation is to take them offline as quickly as you can, to get them to meet you face to face. It's not to have an endless conversation online and then eventually they disappear. So again, there's no shortage of people out there that'll show you how to generate leads, but we're passing leads as we speak. People with signs in their yards trying to sell homes and they're not yet listed with an agent. So leads are easy. That's true online, offline, whatever. You gotta know how to convert them. What is your offer? If you call a seller right now, what's your offer to them? Why would they want to meet with you? Is it because you can list their house? That's not going to do anything. So every Wednesday I do a coaching call, a group webinar. It's free of charge. There's hundreds of people on there every single Wednesday where we talk about specific approaches to not only generating the lead, but having a good offer so those people want to meet with you, and then having a good presentation so that they'll work with you, they'll sign up with you. You can register for that webinar. I think it's closingseverymonth.com. So if you go to closingseverymonth.com, it's a free webinar. I'll offer my coaching on there on the webinar as well. So I'll let you know in advance. There is a sales pitch. You're not going to fix your business unless you actually do something for it, right? So that's totally fine. There's actually a service that can help you. So over the next 30 days, I want to challenge you to not look at anything unless it's a complete system. It's here's how you get the leads, here's how you convert the leads. When you meet with those people, here's how you get them to sign on the dotted line, whether it be buyers or sellers or whatever the case is. So over the next 30 days, don't even bother looking at it if it's a piece. If it's a software program, well, look at all the things we're missing if we have a software. If it's a lead generation, well, look at all the things we're missing if we have lead generation. If it's a specific ad or offer, look at all the things we're missing if we have that. If it's a particular closing technique or scripts or objection handling techniques, look at all of the things your real estate business is going to be missing if you have that. So you've got to look at a full system. So hopefully that's helpful for you. As many of you know, I don't do many videos in the car. We'll always have somebody complaining, oh, how unsafe it is to do a video in the car. Like, you never talk to anybody when you're driving in a car, right? I'm driving, I can't talk to you, don't look at me. That's not how life works. So anyway, I'm glad you're joining me here. Wish I could get you some Chick-fil-A as well. Comment below. Let me know your thoughts here about this. What do you feel about the things that are sold to us from time to time, and what's missing with most of the things that you've invested in your life? I'm curious to know, what do you think is missing when you get those things? Because you get limited results, right? You get some leads, or you get a couple appointments or whatever. What do you think's really missing for your overall business? Comment below. Make sure you like this video as well. Again, if you want some solid training, every Wednesday I do a webinar, closingseverymonth.com. It's probably in the description here somewhere as well. And until next time, we'll talk soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.